Researching your paper. How to find a broad range of sources. Once you know the topic for your paper and you've developed a research question, you'll need to find an answer from a broad range of sources. So to start, ask yourself, are you looking for general information or more specific information? A great place to start is general information because it can give you a background, an overview of the topic, and help you define terms, understand who key people are, and provide a context. Maybe you're in a U.S. history class and you need to write a paper on the American Revolution. Before you dive into something specific, it helps to have an overview about the American Revolution so you know the broader context. You can find this kind of information in books, encyclopedias, dictionaries, or government documents. Now, all of this information is available on the library website, but one general source that I recommend is the Britannica Online. Britannica is a great encyclopedia that'll help give you that overview. It's on the library website. Now, once you have that general background to help you answer your research question, you can dive into more specific information sources to help you find an answer. Some specific sources could be research studies or in-depth analysis, the kind of material that you would find in scholarly journal articles, books, newspapers, or government websites. Now, because this is specific, there are a few more questions to think about when you're looking for an answer. Are you interested in current or historical information? Maybe you're taking a business ethics class, and your assignment is to write a paper about business principles. Well, you could study business principles from the 18th century, or you could study business principles from the 21st century. Depending on what you're looking for, you can check out these two different databases. They're both available on the library website. When you're looking for specific information, you can also ask, do you want a narrative or statistics? Are you looking for an analysis, a wordy essay, or do you want numbers and facts? Sometimes it's helpful to have percentages and numbers in your paper to prove your point, or it could be part of your assignment if you're in a statistics class. Websites like the U.S. Census Bureau is a great place to find statistics, but if you're looking for a narrative analysis, EBSCO's Business Source Premier will be very helpful. You can find links to both of these options on the library website, and that's a brief overview about how to find a broad range of sources for your paper.